Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its flawless integration of the brand's well-known engineering skill with the demands of mobile high-end living, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Caravan is expected to mark a significant evolution in the field of luxury recreational vehicles. It is anticipated that this car will set a new standard for discriminating passengers by harmoniously combining strong performance, aerodynamic efficiency, and finely designed interior areas. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Camper Caravan's exterior is anticipated to showcase the brand's modern look, which is defined by sleek lines, integrated lighting signatures, and an emphasis on aerodynamic optimization to improve driving stability and fuel economy. The chassis will be designed to offer a comfortable and seamless ride, utilizing cutting-edge suspension technology to reduce road imperfections. It is most likely based on Mercedes-Benz well-established commercial vehicle platforms. Carefully positioned storage spaces, smoothly integrated service doors, and options for high-end finishes that highlight the car's luxury heritage are all examples of the outward attention to detail. The interior of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz RV Caravan is intended to be a haven of upscale comfort and cutting-edge technology. High-end materials like fine leather, wood veneers from sustainable sources, and custom textiles will probably be used in the living areas. These elements will all be painstakingly put together to create a subtle yet elegant atmosphere. In order to accommodate a range of needs, the plan will place a high priority on ergonomics and spatial efficiency. Modular furniture and flexible living spaces may also be included. Modern appliances that blend in perfectly with custom cabinetry will be used in the kitchen, demonstrating a dedication to both practicality and visual appeal. To provide comfortable nights on the road, sleeping arrangements will probably include choices ranging from fixed, opulent beds to deftly hidden pull-down systems. The restrooms will have upscale fixtures and finishes that correspond to residential norms. It is anticipated that the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Caravan would integrate the most recent technological developments from the smart home and automobile industries. Advanced driver assistance systems that improve safety and convenience, a sophisticated entertainment system that smoothly integrates with navigation and vehicle control features, and extensive networking options that enable the seamless integration of personal devices are a few examples of this. Energy efficiency will also probably receive consideration, possibly involving the use of sophisticated insulation, solar power integration, and intelligent energy management systems. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Caravan is essentially expected to be more than just a car. It will be a mobile luxury apartment that has been painstakingly designed and beautifully furnished to provide an unmatched travel experience. It will extend the Mercedes-Benz culture of excellence into the world of high-end leisure travel by satisfying customers who have the greatest expectations for comfort, performance, and refinement. The car will be a combination of sophisticated living and automotive innovation, offering trips that are both elegant and useful.